So we're going to go ahead and use this Drano Snake Plus and see how it turns out. So it says to insert the flexible tool in, don't force it, and then move it 2 inches in and out, and then throw the tool away. Pour the Drano in, and it says do not use the tool after you pour the Drano in. Now, I guess it's dangerous to splash, you know. And then you wait 30 minutes. Let's try it and see what happens. It's about the same thing that we've got right here, just a little bit longer. Yeah, nothing else came out, and I don't see anything down the hole. And I tried plunging it with a plunger. So we're going to pour this very, very slowly down the center. Very, very slowly. Listen, it's already broke the clog loose. It's draining. Well, we'll pour that in there and let it sit for 30 minutes, but it's draining now. I don't know what that was. That got stopped up in there when I used a plunger on it, but it was something. So the Drano worked that quick. But we're gonna let it sit 30 minutes, and then we're gonna flush it with hot water like it says. That's crazy. I could hear it open up as I was pouring it in there. Still not flowing too good though. Well, all right. We'll come right back. All right, it's been 30 minutes. We're gonna flush this out real good. Hopefully it'll keep draining. Y'all check out the video description of products that I use. I'm gonna let this drain. We'll be right back. While we're letting that work, let me show you what the box says. I'm really impressed with this because you could hear it open up as I was pouring it in there. Snake Plus tool system and gel, 23-inch snake. Alright, this has been running for a while, so I'm going to put the stopper back in and let it fill up with water and see if it'll drain. Oh, that's hot. Holy bum, man. That was hot water. There. Let's let it fill up. Oh, that water's hot. Well, I hear water draining. Sounds like it's going down pretty good. Yeah, this is much better. Wow. 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 Yeah, this is good right here. Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you out in some kind of a way. So the other thing didn't clear the clog, but it pulled out all the hair. And this right here actually cleared the clog. It's draining really good right now. So leave a comment in the comment section down below. I answer all the comments. Y'all have a good one now. Thanks for watching, and you come back. Yep. Draino. Oh yeah. What's good right there? That's good right there, golly bone.